Yeah, excuse me.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, live here now.
Thank you, sir.
Photographer, please stay now.
Jerry Ghana and Jerry Ghana with this one.
Sorry, I apologize. Which one? I wrote it.
Okay.
Hello, guy, leave
Please, now who won't go any work at the gun? This man. Caretaker. Jigawa.
How are you?
Hey! Your Excellency.
Hey, good evening. How are you?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Adam.
Hello.
Now leave that place now. Governor Nyesom.
My people, how are you?
Well done. They're still with the.
your job.
They already set up table for me. Okay.
Before we go on, talk now.
Yeah.
Talk. Go ahead.
Yes. Gentlemen of the press, you ready? Ready to go? Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. We just ended the 43rd caucus meeting of our great party, the PDP. A good meeting. You can see that from the ambience of members of the party. The party is set to go and ready for the elections. All issues concerning their preparation for the elections have been discussed, and we're ready for the caucus meeting, the BOT meeting, and the NEC meeting tomorrow. All issues were resolved, and we are happy as a party, and we're ready to go because the mission to rescue and rebuild our country is going on smoothly in line with the plan of our party, and of course, in the interest of our country and for...
Go on.
Thank you, sir.
Well,
So,
support, give me moral support.
thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. So we are set to go. We are ready. The organs of the party are working. You can see that this is a party that truly a party. That every decision of this party is in line with the constitution of our party, and we go through all our processes through the organs of the party in line with all the regulations, the constitution, and as provided for. So we're doing well. We're happy. The chairman is there, smiling, testing is good. So we're fine, and we're ready for. We're united.
Our candidates here is standing by.
Oh, Your Excellency is here. You can see we are all happy, and we're set to go. Tomorrow we'll be going on with the BOT and the NEC meeting. Ready. The council, the campaign council, is ready in terms of the structures, and all through the state and the country. We are ready, and we are happy, and we are set to go. So we're good as a party. Sorry? While many of the governors are on vacation, some of them are outside the country, and for those who are not here, the deputy governors who are here, fully represented, and you notice them, they are here.
Now you said that you have resolved issues. What are those issues that have been resolved? Can you be more specific, sir?
Sorry?
The issues that you said have been resolved. Can you be more specific?
We're talking about issues related to our campains. I'm talking about
Those issues related
the campaign council, about the timing, about the structures. So we are here. So it's a process that's ongoing, and we're finding.
It will be announced later.
Tony.